is sunlight. It's very good for me. Yeah. I hate this. Okay, shit. This guy is gonna splash all the water on me. Better get out of here. I'm lucky. Yeah, I'm lucky. Because it's not that I don't like water over here, and basically in off-roading water definitely comes. Splashing water definitely comes, but I don't know, this water is smelly, it's stinking, maybe it's come out of where, I don't know. But yeah, there was a lot of garbage too. So here I can just leave my hands. I pretty much have to do nothing. See whether cars are, yeah, any vehicle is coming from behind. These people just don't know how to give space. Okay, that's very good. That is perfect, that is the best. Look at that dog, man. That was very funny. Sorry guys, I don't mean any harm to the dog, but that is just very funny. Sorry, I'm laughing. Really sorry. But yeah, pretty much I love dogs. I'm a doggy guy, so I wouldn't definitely do that, but I was on a high speed and that dog was in the middle. He ran like he just ran like he had two bottles of nitrous on his back. Okay. This is where the off-roading comes. So okay, I've seen the track, but I'll just go how the Swift guy went, because I saw his tires, it did not sink in the water, like not too deep. So always take that as a tip. See, when you ride and if you're confused, like you saw how much water there was, if you're confused that you don't know where the pothole must be, let a car or a bike guy go ahead of you and let he or she like show you the trail, because their tires are very big. So I enjoyed that a lot, and wow, look at this. ये क्या है भाई? It's dried out. Usually ये वो if you guys can see, वो बड़ा वाला रॉक जो है तो वहाँ तक भरना चाहिए, बट पता नहीं इतना कम क्यों है इस बार. And there is a lot of garbage, man. They should at least like, लोगों का यही है, पता है इंडिया में कभी सुधरने वाले हैं कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो. मतलब कचरा दिखाना तो वो भी डालेंगे, अरे नहीं उसने डाला तो मैं भी कचरा डालूँगा. खुद के घर में कचरा करूँगा ना इतना. And there are people who drink cigarettes, like they smoke cigarettes and drink alcohol, and they just I say, it's not my house, so I'll just throw it over here. That's very bad. It's a very bad habit. So if you guys see anyone doing it, just make that person get notice that dude, you have done something wrong. And don't like, see, you, I know you will be pissed, but just tell that guy in a good way. कितना भी तुम लोग मतलब इस पर गुस्सा हुए होंगे, just don't just don't shout, because I learned it. I used to shout, but then the people who are listening to you कि क्या है भाई, ऐसा एकदम लाइक मैं भी चिल्ला रहा हूँ कि भाई तुझे क्या दिख रहा नहीं है क्या, कितना कचरा नीचे डाल रहा है नॉर्मल स्टफ। बट तुम लोग अगर अच्छे वे से बताओगे सो मेक दैट पर्सन रियलाइज, एंड मतलब इंसल्ट कर दो बंदे की, बट इन अ वेरी पोलाइट वे. Once you master that, like it will be very convenient for you. So you will be like, I'm a pro in handling these stuff. So that's pretty much it. कि तुम लोग ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But yeah, like of course you can't do like you can't just clean up each and everything which you spot on the road. There are idiots who will come from behind and they'll just litter. The weather is very nice. Oh, red wind. Okay, so let's speed up a bit of off-roading. See, a lot of garbage here. You know, literally RA is the best place in Mumbai, according to me. RA is the best place in Mumbai where you find so much of peace. You know, I love beaches, I love mountains. So I'm like, I love to go on trekking more, like instead of going and sitting on the beach where there are a lot of people. So definitely थोड़ा बोर हो जाएगा, but you know, मतलब तुम लोग समझ गए, I think so. पीपल मतलब कैसे टाइप के पीपल बैठे हैं. हाँ, तो दोज गाइज हु वर्क आउट इन, ये बंदा बीड़ी पी के फेंक दिया. तो दोज गाइज हु वर्क आउट ऑन द बीच, दोज गाइज यू नो दे आर वेरी फिट. बट दोज गाइज हु कम एंड जस्ट डू टाइम पास, इट्स देयर लाइफ. आई हैव नो वन टू जज, बट यू नो, तो वो सब देख के ना एकदम मतलब अजीब फीलिंग हो जाता है कि क्या है यार. साइकिलिस्ट, यू नो, आई मच मोर प्रेफर माउंटेन्स, बिकॉज माउंटेन्स तक जाके यू नो वो एक समिट पूरा कर दिया ना, मज़ा ही कुछ और होता है. ओके गाइस, तो अभी हम लोग है आईटी, अरे हाँ गोरेगांव ना, तो वो क्या आईटी बिल्डिंग है ना वो. हाँ, तो हम लोग अभी है आईटी बिल्डिंग के नीचे, मतलब उसके आजू बाजू. अब यहाँ से हम लोग लेंगे राइट, फिर हम लोगों को बहुत चढ़ाना पड़ेगा. उसमें हम लोग बहुत थकने वाले, बट स्टिल हम लोग आपको अभी दिखाएंगे टॉप कैसा दिखता है. तो या हाँ, यहाँ से अभी कितना मिनट रहेगा? अभी 5 मिनट है. 5 मिनट इतना चढ़ाने का? अच्छा, तेरे लिए 10 मिनट, मेरे लिए 5 मिनट. ओके, तो 7 मिनट पकड़ते, 7.5 मिनट्स. ओके, 7.5 मिनट्स टू बी एक्जैक्ट. चढ़ने के बाद मैं आपको व्यू दिखाऊंगा. रुको रुको जरा थोड़ा, और हाँ, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करके रखो प्लीज़. मुझे ज़रूरत है, पता है क्या आपको, मुझे सच में ज़रूरत है। जस्ट किडिंग, इफ़ यू रियली एंजॉय माई वीडियोज़ देन प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, सब्सक्राइब। ओके, see you.